To subscribe, please click the red button in the bottom right corner of the video. Please feel free to share this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please use the comment section in YouTube. Today's video is about your credit score and credit reports. These are two different items that work together to help you get access to loans and credit and manage the interest rate, which is the cost that might apply to your loan and credit opportunities. What is a credit score? Your credit score is a three-digit number between 300 and 850. The higher the better. The numbers to remember: 700 and above is good, 800 and above is excellent. The number of your credit score quickly tells lenders how likely you are to repay the debt and helps them determine if you will qualify for the debt and how much debt they might allow, depending on other variables such as income and savings. How is your credit score computed? Your credit score is computed based on the length of your credit history, the quality of your payment history, your credit utilization, which is how much credit you are allowed compared to how much you are currently using, new credit, which means accounts recently opened, your credit mix, which types of accounts you have, whether it's mortgages, student loans, credit cards, etc., recent inquiries, which are hard hits on your credit report, which is the potential of a new credit or loan in process, and how much total debt you have outstanding. So if your credit score is less than 800, you're going to want to try to improve it. To do this, if you don't have any current loans or credits, you're really going to need to get a credit card and start using it. This will help to create a history of having credit and making on-time payments. Point to note: debit cards do not help your credit score since they are not credit cards and they're pretty much the same as writing checks. Also, it's important to review and make any corrections to your credit report. I suggest you start by getting your credit score. Your bank or credit card company may have your credit score available just by asking or looking online. Otherwise, credit.com is one site that is considered reputable and will allow you to get your credit score for free. These are soft hits, which means informational only and will not affect your credit score. Next, you're going to want to review your credit report. Annualcreditreport.com is one of many reputable sites that will allow you to get a credit report once a year each from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. My suggestion is, rather than running all three reports at once, you run one report every 4 months or so, and this would allow you to essentially get 3 reviews to your credit report throughout the year. Each one will report slightly different information depending on which lenders have reported to them and how timely they've reported, but all 3 will mostly have the same information at any given time. Note, these are not the only sites that offer these services, and this is only a short video, so I'm listing one example. Please review any website terms and conditions on your own, as anything can change after the time that this video was created. To get your report, go to the site. It will require your name, social security number, and current address. If you've lived there less than 2 years, it will also ask for your prior address. You can choose to run 1, 2, or all 3 reports. The site will then have you answer some security questions to prove your identity, and these will be questions about credit or loans you have had either in the past or currently, or it might be about cars you own either currently or in the past. This is basic information that the credit bureaus have available to prove that you are who you say you are. Then, after you've proved you are you can run, preview, or download and print your credit report. Each credit bureau report, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, will look slightly different but include the same relative information. They will be broken down into the types of loans: revolving, which is credit cards, mortgages, and installments, which is like car loans. Each individual loan and information will be listed separately. The information includes if the loan is open or closed, the loan limit, the balance, a schedule of your payment history, which includes if payments were made on time, if they were late, how late, 30, 60, 90 days, if the lender didn't respond to the query, useful information like that. And then there's also a table that shows the balance, a history of the balance each month. The last part of each loan information will be how to contact the lender in the event of a dispute. Disputes should always be done in writing and fully documented so that you can trace how you contacted them and what you tried to say. Thank you for listening. I hope this was useful for you. I look forward to seeing you next time.